Now we're back at our table ready to assemble our wheels. Okay, there's a couple different things you're going to need for this. You're going to need that baggie that had the spools, the lever arm attachment, and then also those 4 washers. We're going to be using those for our wheels. Then you're going to need your wheels, your rubber bands, and your axles. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take these rubber bands and you're going to put them around these larger wheels. Okay, what that's going to do is it's going to give us traction on the floor so we're able to actually move with our car. Another way that I've seen this done is people take sandpaper and then go around the wheel and sand it down, but I think the rubber band's going to give you a lot better traction than sandpaper. So put those rubber bands on. Once those rubber bands are on, we are good with our rear axle. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get those 4 washers out of here. Okay, got my 4 washers. Now these washers are going to go on the inside of our axle. So what I'm going to do is let's start with the front axle. So I'm going to put my axle through my straws, or my bearings. Once that's through my bearings, I'm going to put my washer between my bearing and my straw. Okay, this is going to be our front side, so I'm going to grab my front wheel, the thinner wheel, and all I'm going to do is press that side on. Okay, that's one side done. Now I'm going to do it to the other side for the front wheel. Washer. Wheel. Now this might be a little more difficult. If you do need a hammer in order to put these on, that is completely fine. You might need it, but once they are on, they should be good. Just make sure that they're straight and everything will work out well. So that's the front, and you're going to do the same thing for the back side.